Hello, friends, and welcome to this very important news update from DCC Immigration. In a shocking express entry draw today, the Canadian Immigration Authorities invited the highest number of candidates ever with the lowest ever cutoff score in the history of express entry. Let us take a look at the results of today's draw. Another draw, which is Express Entries draw number 176, has taken place on February 13th. In the latest draw, the Canadian government has issued 27,332 invitations to apply for permanent residence. Yes, you heard that right. The number of invitations issued are more than 27,000. The minimum score required to secure an invite in this draw is 75. Yes, you heard that right again. The cutoff score is just 75 points. It must be noted that this is a program specific draw and candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class only were invited in this draw. This is the second express entry draw of this month, following Wednesday's draw. The draw that took place on Wednesday had invited 654 candidates, and the cutoff score in that draw was 720. Wednesday's draw was also a program specific draw, and candidates from the provincial nominee class only were invited in that draw. Today's draw has thrown all calculations out of the window. It is difficult to understand how a candidate can get a score as low as 75. Initially, people opined that this could be a mistake, but the result is there on the official Canadian Immigration Express Entry Draws webpage. It would be interesting how the future draws take place now. It could be good news for candidates belonging to the federal skilled worker class because if more than 27,000 people are out of the express entry pool, then the score for FSW candidates can also drop significantly, but only if the next all program draw takes place quickly. The tiebreak in the latest draw has been set at September 12, 2020, 15:31:40 UTC time, which means that all candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class and with scores 76 and above, as well as those with scores 75 who submitted their profile to the Express Entry pool before the tiebreak date and time, will receive an invitation to apply in this draw. Now, let us take a quick look at the composition of the Express Entry pool of candidates as on February 8, 2021. To read the full news and further details, please head to DCC Immigration's Facebook page. If you like this video, then please like it and share with other people who may benefit from information given here. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to DCC Immigration's YouTube channel. So until next time, stay tuned.